In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Tiffany Co jewelry repaired by Tiffany Co. Simply go onto their website first, scroll on down to the bottom of the page, then click Product here and Repair. Then go to Request Repair. So they will resize jewelry, cleaning jewelry, polishing. They'll replace watch batteries, resizing, so taking links out and maintenance of a timepiece as well. And they'll also do leather repair as well. If you have different servicing questions, then use the contact details provided here, customerrelations@tiffanyandco.com, or to call the following number. Otherwise, simply submit a service request by mail. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fill out all of your details here. You have the address to send your piece of jewelry or send your watch to Tiffany's. You're going to use the address at the bottom of the form here, and make sure, of course, that the merchandise is properly secured and definitely an insured mail as well.